So the topic for today's lesson is polygons. And with polygons, it's made up of many different shapes. These shapes include triangles, square, pentagon, hexagon, and octagon. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can construct these polygons and the principles that include with them. And to be able to construct them, you'll need some equipment, and these are the equipment you'll need. So you'll need a pencil, a compass, protractor, and some set squares. Now, these polygons that I showed you here, they are all what you call regular polygons, but you can also have some irregular ones, and there's the ones you have here, and we'll be getting onto them later on. So we'll start off with the triangle. So what you need for a triangle is you need a pencil, you need a set square, you need a compass, or if you don't have a set square, you can also use a protractor. So what we'll start off doing is we'll start off with a line, any length, doesn't really matter. So when you have that down, you get your protractor and you put it on the end of the line, like so. And then you measure 60 degrees and then join where it measures up to the end point, like that. And then get your compass and set your compass to the length of the baseline, and then strike an arc up here, and that will be the top of the triangle. And then you can just simply join up the triangle again, like so, and harden in the lines. Now, the reason I knew that I had to measure 60 degrees here was because what you need to do is you get 360 degrees and you divide it by the amount of sides that are in the polygon. So in this case we have 3, so 1, 2, 3. So you divide it by 3, and that gives you 120 degrees. And obviously that's not 120, but if you take the exterior angle, so here, that is the 120. So I know that the inside angle is then 60, because a straight line is 180 degrees. So for a square, you'll need the same equipment again, but this time you're going to need a second set square. So if you start off again by just drawing a line, any length, doesn't matter. You then get your second set square, so put your first set square up along the line, then get your second set square, and move the set square up along it, and then draw the line again. You do that on both sides. Then get your compass again, measure to the length of the baseline, and strike it up here, and strike it up on this side as well. Then just continue these lines up along until it hits where the arc is on both sides. And then again, so you're going to want to line up the set square along the bottom line, and then get your other set square again and move it up along, and then draw this line in parallel to the bottom line, and then that is your square. So the thing about squares is all the sides are equal, so this side is equal to this side and they're opposite, and this side are opposite and they're equal as well, so they're all equal. And then all the interior angles are equal as well, and they all measure 90 degrees. And then again on the exterior angles it's 90 as well, because remember the 360 divided by before this time, that equals 90 degrees. So 180 minus 90 is equal to 90, so the exterior angle will be 90 as well. So moving on to the pentagon. So a pentagon has 5 sides and all the angles are the same. the exterior angle equals 72 degrees. That's when you do 360 divided by 5, you get 72. So that's how you find your exterior angle. And you construct a pentagon the same way as you could construct a square or with a triangle. So you get the baseline first, and then measure off of that with your compass, and then continue on until you have the pentagon completed.